Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. This is a quick walk around video of one of our latest vehicles we have in stock. So in front of us and for sale today, here we have a Ford Tourneo Custom Titanium Independence RS. Now that means it's a WAV or wheelchair accessible vehicle with 6 travel seats and position for 1 wheelchair in the 3rd row. 3 second row seats can fold flat, they can be reversed and they can be completely removed. Other WAV features, you've got the 4Q restraints, you've got a bifold ramp underneath the tailgate, and you've got a soft start electric winch. Excellent condition inside and out. 130 PS, 6-speed automatic gearbox, covered just over 19,000 miles. Metallic, magnetic grey, and registered end of November 2019, sitting on a 69 plate. So this is a titanium series, few telltale signs already. You get dual side loading doors, 2nd and 3rd row tinted glass. Body colour side mouldings, 17-inch alloy wheels, body coloured extended wheel arches. Glazed tailgate, parking sensors front and rear. Second row step. Power folding door mirrors, heated windscreen, automatic headlights, automatic rain sensing wipers. Roywood Transits can fit an upgraded stainless steel driver security door lock for the cost of £150. 5-bar grille with chrome effect. And Ice Pack 21 inside the cab, so that's the 8-inch touchscreen, Apple Android CarPlay, as well as lots more. Here you can see the 3 second row position seats. They can fold flat, they can be reversed, resulting in forward facing travel, and they can be completely removed. Please see our other WAV videos on YouTube for an example of how to do this and what it looks like. So with the tailgate open and the bifold ramp deployed, straight away you can see the second row seats facing us and the 3 seats in the front. So you've got the dual cab passenger seat, single driver seat. And down here you've got the electric soft start winch, which is operated via this controller up here. Very simple to use, and it extends all the way to the end of the ramp. You can then see the 2 removable rear restraints and a forward 2 which are activated via this switch. And again, for further information on how to safely secure the wheelchair in the 3rd row position and how to attach the seatbelt, please see our other WAV YouTube videos. In the back of the vehicle you get 2nd and 3rd row sunblinds, as well as the tinted windows, read-in lights, various grab handles with manual air conditioning. And right, now into the cab. So like the rest of the WAV, excellent condition inside. Leather trimmed, should I say, steering wheel. Here you can see the 8-inch touchscreen, automatic gearbox. You've got the dual passenger seat with fold down table and under seat storage. 10-way adjustment on the driver's seat, including lumbar support. You've got carpeted floor, electric windows, power folding door mirrors, automatic headlights with daytime running, voice activation for when your phone's connected through Bluetooth, automatic rain sensing wipers, cruise control with adjustable speed limiter, and just confirming the mileage. 6-speed automatic gearbox, so just for 2 pedals. Over here you have your manual air conditioning. You've got your 2 heated seats for heated windscreen, and here's your quick clear and your quick cool. But up here you have the Ford Sync free entertainment system, Ice Pack 21. So again, a great blend of touchscreen physical buttons. Connect your phone up on the dash through USB, and you can then access Apple or Android CarPlay. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we have a Ford Tourneo Custom. This is a titanium Independence RS, So WAV wheelchair accessible vehicle. You've got 3 second row fold flat, reversible and removable travel seats, one wheelchair position in the 3rd row, 6 travel seats in total, 130 PS 6-speed automatic gearbox, ice pack 21, Ford manufacturer's warranty left until the end of November. If you're interested or have any questions, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.